Hi, here is the biggest lie we were told. We should always be happy and strong. But we all know sometimes life tests our spirit and not in a gentle way, and we find ourselves hard to breathe, paralyzed to make another step. Let's just admit it. It happens. Once I was dealing with a traumatic event in my life. I went deeply into a meditative state, begging for strength. But the experience I had was not what I expected. And in that moment, I realized a more efficient path to healing, which I feel ready to share with you today. People will tell you, pick yourself up, stay strong, move on. Maybe you believe that as a light warrior, you are not allowed to be weak. But acknowledging your emotion is not a weakness. Actually, it is a strength. I met people who own their hardships instead of trying to mask them, and they are the most resilient creatures I know. It is important to deal with your pain in a healthy manner, meaning, surprise, surprise, sitting with it for a while. Acknowledging its existence. It's probably here for a good reason, right? So today, I invite you to live through your pain so the pain doesn't live in you. Cuddle up in a blanket if you feel like it, sit up, or even better, lie down. Let's begin. Close your eyes. We start with a deep breathing through your nose. In, out. In, out. In, out. Continue breathing like this, feeling the cold air entering your lungs, warm air exiting your body. Let your body soften, relax your face, your shoulders. You are safe now. Lift your inner gaze up, like you are looking in the space between your eyebrows. Hold it. Look up. Look up. You are going deeper now. Look up. Deeper and deeper. Relax your eyes. Imagine a soft light gathering in your tummy area. With each inhale, it glows brighter and brighter. See it in your mind's eye now. Intentionally start moving this ball of light upwards. See it moving through your tummy area. It is now located in your solar plexus, in the pit of your ribs. It is moving up to the area of your heart. See it glowing brightly in your chest. It is in your neck now. It is going up your lip area, your nose. It is between your eyebrows. It slowly reaches the top of your head. It rises further up and up. This light is your essence, your soul, on a mission to find healing. You can see the top of your head from above now, but you are moving higher and higher. You are flying now with great speed up and up. Look back and see the earth from above. Look how small it seems from here, beautifully blue. Fly further. You are in space now. See yourself surrounded by stars, nebulas. and the deep blackness of the magical space. Fly further until you see a soft pink sphere emerging in your view. Pink is for compassion. See the sphere moving closer like a gigantic marshmallow ball. You can touch it now. It feels squishy, like the softest squishy toy you've ever felt. Enter this sphere. It feels like a marshmallow trampoline with zero gravity, with soft pink walls. See yourself surrounded by weightless softness. Land in the middle. Lie down. Feel the squishy softness of the surface beneath you. This softness is intelligent. It is wrapping you like a mother's womb. It holds you. You are safe now. I want you to tell the story, your story of the event which pains you. Tell it in your mind. See it in your mind's eye. How did it start? What happened after? Relive this event here, in your safe place, with a soft intelligence by your side. It likes to listen. Now, this is very important. How did this traumatic event end? Tell it now. Show it in great detail. It ended. It passed. It's done. How did this event make you feel? Name the feelings as accurately as you can. Did it make you feel unfairness, anger, rage, powerlessness, sadness, betrayal? Name your feelings now, all of them. If you feel a strong emotion, let it be. Don't hold back. Now is the time to let it all out. Scream, cry, feel all of it. Now see this pink marshmallowy softness enveloping you even tighter, holding you. It is here for you. You're in the universal healing pot. It is here for you. For as long as you need it, it holds you tight. It holds you. It is here for you. It is here to comfort you. You are not alone. 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 Stay here, just as you are. Feel the warmth and softness. Lie here for a while, still, being held. You are not alone. Now, gently see yourself standing up on your feet. Slowly wobble as the surface under you is squashy. It is so soft and bouncy that you may feel like jumping a little. Try. Can you feel no gravity? Soft, floaty jumps in this soft pink sphere. See yourself. Feel it. Slow at first, but it feels nice. Maybe you want to jump a little faster. Shaking your body, any heavy energy being shaken off. Jump. Jump and shake. Keep jumping. Soft, squashy, cloudy pink sphere. Here, just for you. You jump. It's time. Thank the sphere for compassion, for softness, for listening. You leave it in the way you came in. Goodbye, sphere. You will be here when I need you, won't you? It nods. It will be here anytime you need a visit. See yourself as a light again, bright light in space. Come back to Earth. Come back into your body. See the top of your head. Enter your body. Now travel into your tummy area. Okay. Now think logically. How long do you need to feel sad about what happened? 1 more hour? 2? 6? 1 day? 1 week? A month? Longer? Give yourself a time frame, an internal permission to be sad about the event that happened, as long as you need. No problem. Zero judgment. But after this time has passed, you promise to let the sadness go. Say to yourself, I promise not to dwell on this sadness after the time frame I have chosen, and I will release this sadness with love and compassion, thanking it for showing me what I don't want in my life. Schedule the intended sadness release. See the trauma leaving your body in exactly state your chosen time. The sadness is all set for a scheduled departure. You can gently stretch a little, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Hey, you did great. Please comment if you jumped and how it felt. I found that part most fascinating when I first experienced it. Now you know that what you really needed was a universal cuddle. Thank you for trusting me to guide you, and please be kind to yourself today.